Hello, welcome to the Proving Grounds. It's me again, Jose. Now, what you're looking at here are two of the same type of computer. These are some Asus mini computers, or PCs, whatever you want to call them. Now, both of them, I got them out of the trash bin. This one works pretty well, except that's damaged here, and that's not really a major issue. This one, I'm going to extract some components and put it into the other one just to beef it up a little bit. Now, interestingly enough, the faceplate and the top slide out. As you can see, there is a spot in order to be able to put another hard drive if I want. Unfortunately, I don't see any kind of SATA connectors for a hard drive, so I'm going to have to just rely on NVMe. But what I really want is the RAM, because I'm going to be putting a different type of NVMe with higher storage on this one. And then the RAM from here is also going in. That's pretty much it. So let me get this out of the way for now. Okay. I did some unscrewing beforehand, so. As you can see, the processor's still there. I believe these are i5's 8th generation. I could be wrong. And there's the NVMe. That's not what I want, though. Sometimes if you don't hear that click, it didn't work. So this one seems to be my last holdout. There. I tested out this system. It's running on Windows 11. It's all right, but considering what I plan on using this device for, I want to add a little bit more RAM, a little bit more storage capacity. Later on, if I can find a small enough SATA connection, I'll examine the motherboard on the other one to see where I'm going to be connecting it to. I might get a hard drive to put in here. Now for this one, there goes my RAM. Not my RAM, my hard drive. I'm going to be using a Samsung 970 Evo Plus. All right. Well, when I'm done reconnecting this, we'll move on to the next step.